So I'm here with Bestie on the flow. And we just finished tying her waist beads. These are 4 here. You're supposed to have an odd number, so we're going to do her last strand here. And you're going to see how to tie your waist beads once you get them from thedesiree.com. What we do afterwards is going to be a little bit more intimate, so we're going to turn you guys off afterwards, but you pray. And if you order your waist beads on the website, I will send you some already anointed and prayed over beads, but you'll get a small prayer that you can pray after you tie your waist beads just for your protection. And whatever colors you get, we'll add the color chart in the link below so that you can see. And we'll also add it to the end of the video so you can pause it and look and see what colors you would like on your waist beads. This is how you tie them closed, though. Femi, you mind holding the camera for me?
No problem, sis.
Thank you.
Got you.
So you get your strand from thedesiree.com. It does not matter what size your waist is. All of the strands, unless it'll still ask you what size your waist is, that's okay. But what you're gonna do is just put 0 if your waist is smaller than a size 50. You'll get your beads, it'll be bigger or smaller than that. And you can tie the rest on your ankle if you would like. But you will wrap them around your waist here. The ends are closed off, so your beads shouldn't do anything or come off too much. Then you will cross it over one time. Figure out where you want your beads to stop. Make sure there's no spacing in your beads. That will ensure that they do not pop. If they do pop, that's okay. That means they served their purpose. You'll cross it over one more time. So what I'm doing right now is a surgeon's knot. If you need to see what a surgeon's knot, I will add that where you can pause it as well at the end of the video. These nails are by Femi, the girl who's holding the camera right now, and they're so gorgeous.
They look so pretty with this.
Yes, it's really with the aesthetic here. So I've had to learn how to do this with nails. So if I can do this, you definitely can do this.
Most of.
So what I have the other person do usually, we're going to give her a little bit more space because we want this one a little bit at the bottom here. But what I have my person who I'm tying do is put their finger here to close off, and we make sure that there is no beads that will tie in the knot, so that way it ensures as well that it doesn't get cut, right? Then once that is closed, you will cut the end here of the beads. All right, so what you're gonna do is get your strand, get something to catch it with, like a cup or a bag or the floor if you want to vacuum or something. And usually what you can do is just pull and they'll come down since the finger's there holding it, or you can just cut the end and get the rest off.
Make sure you still have enough string to continue to tie your knot, because even after you tie your surgeon's knot, you will still be tying at least 7 more times.
But just because it's so close up to the top, I'm going to cut this one too. I feel like I'm on PBS or something.
Like a live show?
No, this is how we paint the trees. You remember that dude?
Oh my God.
PBS.
Oh, Bob
the lady with the chairs.
Oh Lord.
And she'd be like up and down and up. Cause it's very simple, guys. Okay.
You're like teaching and stuff, yeah.
Yeah.
You're doing good.
Lift your finger one more time so they can see. Lift
Here you
your
go.
finger.
This is how you do it.
Y'all
Boom.
see? So once it closes up, it's gonna look like that. You can put your finger back down for me, Model.
Right here?
Yep. Thank you. So you're gonna put your finger down like you're or braiding hair for the black folks. Then you're gonna tie it closed here by closing it up like you're closing your shoelace. Oh, hold on. The nails, the way they set up.
I can imagine.
It's not bad.
That's good.
I just did it sloppily, and I want to make sure they can tell what's going on. So you just get those two. We're closing it up here. See? And we're going to do it slowly, and don't have her lift yet until you have complete grasp of the beads. Go ahead and lift slowly for me. Lift slow, 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 all the way up. And you see? The knot is completely closed. You pull as hard as you can. Then we're going to continue to make a few more loops so that it is completely secured here.
Secure the bag, guys.
Secure the bag, secure the strand, secure
your hard work.
Yeah. So you're gonna just keep, that looks so pretty. Look how wealthy you look. Wow. So this is a symbol of wealth.
Damn.
This also aligns the back. I've been in 11 car accidents myself. So it helps to align the back. It helps to cinch in the waist. The colors help with your mental stability. So the blue can help raise calmness, peace. The white is for innocence, purity. It's more bridal. The black is for strength, agility. The pink is for femininity. The purple is royalty. The gold always represents God. And if you get any strand from me, you pretty much will have all the other colors pretty much sprinkled in or throughout. Just because us as women want that full balance. So I, like 100% of the women usually are like, I want one with all the colors. So technically she has all the colors, but the primary colors are the ones that she has here. And Femi was awesome enough to let me freestyle on her. Yay. Every single color, where I got to choose what color she got, and you can do that too. So she has 5 strands on. So in my culture, in the culture of Kemet, because my ancestry is Mali, you will get 5, 3, or 7 strands or 9 strands. It just needs to be an odd number. And it doesn't mean anything. Nothing bad is going to happen to you. It's not bad juju. Oh, no. But we're Christian, so we're going to do a Christian prayer. And what I do over your beads is a Christian prayer. It's anointed by holy oil, which is anointed by my pastor, Dr. Robert E. Childress at Covenant Glen United Methodist Church. They have sermons all the time. My dad is actually a mortician, so I was raised in funeral homes, so I kind of got to see the inside of everything. And from seeing that, I learned that life is really short. And so we are all queens and princesses. You can give these to children. You can close their beads up with a certain cement, and I can ship that off to you if you decide to get it for a child. You just need to let me know. And you can do that through DM. So to close it up, you'll get your lighter after you make the strand where it's coming about 1/2 inch past the person's body. Then you'll put your finger there to separate from that person's body. They'll feel a little bit of heat. If they have huger boobs, you'll have them lift their boobs up out of the way so that it doesn't, you'll have them, it's cool, girl. You'll have them lift their boobs up so they're out of the way and they don't feel the heat, but you're still not going to burn that person's boobies. So we're just going to burn the end here. And close her up here. Then it's still sticking out a little bit too much for my liking. So we're just gonna make sure that it's nice.
That's lit.
And cinched in here. Make sure it's nice and melted.
It's like when you do braids at the end, right?
Absolutely. That's
Girl,
exactly
that
what we're
looks
doing.
so good, y'all.
So now her waist beads are done, guys.
Oh, yeah, it feels nice.
Yeah, so it's nice and snug when she works out at the gym. She can take a shower. She can swim in them. She can do pretty much anything she wants to do. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just DM me. Follow Dee's brand, and that's on my Instagram. The website is thedesiree.com. See y'all there. Gang, gang. Healthy gang, healthy brain gang.